My whole career has been in data science and AI and bringing those capabilities into organizations to add value. We're both part of 3Arc Advisory, advising companies, boards of directors, and C-suite executives on how to leverage data and AI in their organization.
I've been in data and analytics for over 15 years with global cross-industry experience, combining strategy, data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and technology in both the private and public sectors. Currently, Director of Data Science at the 3Arc Advisory, like Megan said, guiding startups and established companies on how to drive positive business impact.
So a bit before we get too far into the content, we want to do a little bit of level setting in terms of terminology. So the replication of human-like behavior. And that can show up in a lot of different ways, and we'll get into some of those details. You may have also heard the term machine learning, and this is really a subset under that umbrella of AI that's really focusing on algorithms and advanced statistical approaches applied to data. So your personal auto insurance is an automated use case, but for example, pricing of a commercial auto fleet of vehicles would be AI with human in the loop combined, so that an underwriter is making the final decision.
Next, we'll go through examples of both organizational risk management and individual risk management, and how data and AI can be used or is used and can be used in the future. So if you only have a single year of data, as illustrated for the year 2022, tornado occurrences, you could possibly misunderstand a lot of tornado risk. So some current data challenges that we still see across many organizations, even those that are advanced in their data management strategy and analytics: unauthorized access to this data, disclosures that may need to be done to access and analyze, destruction, deletion, or modification. Once I get my data, cleansing the data, the process of identifying, correcting the errors, and how can we improve the quality of the data so that we can, accurately come out with insights and this. And once we have our data and we've applied the algorithms, the necessary required algorithms, and we have the insights, so the models need to be trained on large amounts of data in order to learn the patterns and relationships that are necessary to generate realistic and creative content. Generative AI models can be very expensive to train and run on. Generative AI models can be used to generate large amounts of content, and they have to have scalable infrastructure to handle the increased demand.
Caution and approaches that really make sense for your industry and that provide appropriate and accurate guidance at the right point in time is going to be really critical for you.